Chief. Hey, Super. Glad to see you here, babe. You too.
Hey, just trying to keep the old man out of trouble.
Why is everybody out here?
They say the chambers are full. They're not letting anyone else in.
Not even press.
Meeting was supposed to start at 10. They decided to swear Jackie Clarkson in at 9. By the time our people got here, the whole chamber was packed.
Fix is in. Knew it.
You got a feeling for how it's gonna fall?
4-3, everybody's saying, in favor of demolition.
4 white, 3 black.
Afraid so.
So why did you come here today? What's your message?
Well, we came just to say that people can't come home unless they have a place to live. And these buildings were not damaged, and they should not be torn down.
But what about the council members who say you'll have better housing, new housing?
We don't believe that. We're pleased with what you have.
Think about the council and what they've done.
What guy? Looks like your ass is going back to jail, Chief.
This ain't gonna be another Indian fucking photo op. Don't arrest his ass. Him either. Let's get out of here. Let's go.
You all right?